Hello everyone, this is this is what's happening now. You hear the ice?
Yeah, because it's ice.
I know, Ma. It's for the video. Okay, so anyhow, that's what's happening there. We have a fireplace going, and I just wanted to show you guys what, well, let me first start with Mom. So Mom has been working again on these bracelets. She did really well at the last craft fair. These are just more that she made. And what I do is I get these in the bulk for her, so they're already made. And then she puts her charms, and she loves it. And so she did really good at the craft fair on that. And she's taking a little bit of a break now. And over here, I have my inspirational bracelets, and I put prayer, like not very religious prayers, but very generalized prayers about serenity and everything. And I turn them into like little jewelry holders. So I have that bunch, and I have that bunch over there. And they all say something different. This one says she believed she could, so she did. That's just an example. And then my earrings, and then my jewelry, I changed it up again. I made a different, I used cardstock, and I didn't like how it was displayed the last time. And I have it for, whoops, try not to drop everything, for that one as well. So we're trying to get ready here because we have our next holiday craft fair in about another 2 weeks, but next weekend I have to celebrate my daughter's birthday. So this is what's going on here with the snow outside, Bohemian Rhapsody down there, and that's about it. Hoping everyone has a glorious Sunday. Bye.